Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for this video because I'm trying out a brand I have not tried before, and that brand is none other than JACLYN Cosmetics. I have a bunch of products here from JACLYN Cosmetics that we're going to test. I also have some brushes as well, so we're gonna test these out. I'm also gonna do a fun fall makeup with you because I feel like I haven't done a wearable makeup in a hot minute here on my channel. So let's jump into it and let me share my thoughts and a fun fall makeup with you. We're finally at the point where I can try some of the JACLYN Cosmetics products. The first one I'm going to try is the Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I do have my foundation and other primers on, but I did remove any makeup and foundation underneath my eyes so that we can see how this is. So far, I like this applicator. Let's just do a little, ooh. It actually feels really nice. I think I probably would have applied this before my foundation, but it feels really cooling. I don't love the smell, but I really like this applicator. It kind of looks like it brightens, it has a little bit of like a brightening to it, and it feels very hydrating. I'm gonna give it like a second to just kind of settle into my skin before I apply my concealer on top. While I let this concealer sit, I have two different powders. I have the Brightening Pink under eye powder and then the luminous powder. I think we're gonna go for the brightening under eye powder for underneath our eyes. I don't really want it to be like luminous. I really like her packaging. I like the little square. It's cute. So I usually have issues with under eye powders like these. They always turn my foundation very dark and make my under eyes really dark. It's never like what I'm looking for. So I'm hoping that this does what I want it to do. Let's see. I think my under eyes definitely look hydrated. I don't know if there's like a huge difference for me personally in using this under eye primer, but I think we might find out as we let it sit like throughout the night. I have some brushes from JACLYN. I'm gonna take this guy. Actually, no. Yes. I'm gonna dip into this powder and tap it off. And kind of just like tap that underneath. Honestly, it didn't do what I didn't want it to do, which is a good thing. So it didn't make my under eyes darker, but I also don't think that it made them like super bright. I don't know, what do you guys think? Alright guys, my camera died, but I'm back. And I kind of did my hair, added some earrings. I have both highlighters here. I have Mesmerized and Iced. Let's open these up. Here is Mesmerized, and here is Iced. And I'm gonna go in with actually the JH17 brush. I'm gonna use Iced. I'm just gonna dab it ever so slightly. Pretty. I am not someone into highlighter anymore, so I feel like it's really hard for me to like this type of glow. If I'm being honest, it looks amazing with like really over the top looks. Like this is more just natural, so this glow is not for me, to be honest, but I do think that it's super pretty. And when I look, I think this is where I am not the biggest fan of these highlighters. When I look straight on, you can't really see the highlighter anymore. It just kind of looks a little almost like dirty. So, but if I turn to this side, it looks beautiful, but then as I turn back to you, it just looks like the shading is kind of off. And that's why I don't like these like really crazy highlighters anymore, at least not to wear out. I'm kind of into more of like the dewy skin glow. But I do think that this is really pretty. Here's a swatch of that other shade. I feel like this is kind of similar to Champagne Pop. Here is the final look. I'm so happy with the way that this came out. It is not a color that I wear often, but I think it looks amazing. I feel badass right now. Final thoughts on the JACLYN Cosmetics collection. I really like the collection. I think that there is definitely a difference in the quality of product comparing to other brands and their highlighters. I just am afraid that it's not like in line with where I believe highlighter is going. I feel like we are so into our blush right now, and I wish there was something that was like dewy in this collection. For example, this guy from Sephora, I am obsessed with this. It gives this like really wet highlighter look, and it's not overpowering and it's not too much. And I feel like for me personally, with the way that I am now doing my face, this is very heavy for me, and I would love to see her come out with something that is more like skin focused and dewy focused and glow focused, but not like that shimmery highlighter. So let me know what your thoughts are. What do you guys think? I think everything in the collection is really beautiful. It's packaged really beautiful as well, and I think the products are really amazing, but I think that just for me, my preference is a different kind of brightness and a different kind of highlighter. So let me know what your thoughts are. I definitely think that if you love this glow and you love kind of the way that the makeup looks on my face right now in regards to like the skin, definitely pick up these highlighters and try them out for yourself. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall makeup, my review on JACLYN Cosmetics and first impressions, and that's all I have for you today. I will see you guys soon.
How to keep the healing.